We're
Here
at
at the Tower Small.
We gotta ride the elevator.
It's been a while since I've been here. There used to be 2 Otis escalators here. Here we go, listen to it.
It's a great motor, but it's not hydro fit.
Yeah, so we've got another one.
It wasn't like loud enough to be hydro fit.
Yeah, this is a nice elevator. For a new hydro, this is not bad.
I wonder what that is up there.
What does it look like?
I don't know. It's a clip.
Watch the bug go out.
Not the world's most exciting elevator. Reminds me of the elevator at my school.
Just a basic elevator.
Nothing too exciting.
But the elevator at your school is like that
Basically, but with Series 5.
There it goes, and that'll be it.
That's it.